Hey guys, I'm going to do a shoot out of 6 rockets here. I got 4 Pyro Pinnacles, a blue Cloudbuster, and a display shell rocket. I'm going to see how these things do. Alright, let's do the display shell. Yeah. Wow. That was a nice one. I didn't think that would be that good. Let's do the purple Pinnacle rocket. Pyro Pinnacle. That was nice. Let's do the green Pyro Pinnacle. Wow. I think them things would be that loud. There's the red one. Wow. That was nice. Here's the blue Pyro Pinnacle. Light them up. That's awesome. Last but not least, the Cloudbuster rocket. This is pretty good. Wow. That's upper. Alright guys, I'm going to show you here for safety. The tube out of the ground, if you can see that, that's one of these firing tubes. That's what I was launching these rockets with. Good investment to get when you're launching these bigger rockets. Try to stay safe, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the little show there. Till next time, keep on feeling the heat.